Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. About a month ago, a Korean and Japanese beauty brand reached out to me via email and they said if I wanted to try some Korean and Japanese beauty products. And I asked you guys on Instagram because I honestly just want to put content that you guys like. Honestly, the majority of you, more than 90% of you, said that they wanted me to say yes. The company's name is NoMakeNoLife. They are a Korean beauty box subscription service that delivers authentic beauty products from brands such as Dolly Wink, Etude House, Moly, and more. So they sent out a free box to me. This is it right here, and as you may already know, I love the color pink, so you guys would understand when I say that I was so excited to just receive this pink box on my mailbox. I received this box for free to make an honest review for you guys, so I'm not gonna hold back, you guys. This is going to be an honest review. For me, you guys are the most important thing ever, so I really hope that you all enjoy this video and are excited to see what the heck is inside this box. So let's get started. Let's open it up. Everything is so pink. Wow. So when I open this, that's basically what you see here. So the first thing that I see is this little booklet of the August box item lineup, just because these beauty products are Korean and Japanese, the packaging, you can't really understand it. They basically explain it to you. So the first thing that I see is this whipped cream face wash. Bubble and foaming cleansers are the hype in Japan, and the foaming tool helps you to lather face and body wash in no time. This set comes with 2 packages of skin enzyme cleaning powder that you can use with the foaming tool. So I just think that based on the instructions on here, you just make your own whipped cream face wash. I've never seen this product in America, and this dynamic of you creating your actual face wash. So I just think this is really innovative and fun. So the next thing that I see is this honey skincare face wash with natural fragrance, and this is actually in English. Enriched with natural honey, gently cleanses while hydrating skin, keeps skin's natural moisture balance, leaves skin naturally soft and smooth. It actually smells just like conditioner. It actually smells really good. So next thing that I see, at first, you guys, I thought this was a juice, but this is the snail essential cream. Oh, there's a little, I don't know, what snail? Snail mucus is a powerful ingredient for skincare nowadays. It effectively improves your skin's elasticity. In addition, this cream comes in a convenient spout pouch and includes 10 different kinds of seeds to moisturize your skin. So this contains snail mucus. I don't think I'm going to use this at all. Okay, so the next thing, this is a super cute thing, and this is just a lovely cookie blusher. It's just such a cute texture, so cute. It has this little bow, and basically you just apply it to your blush. You are really bougie with this. Okay guys, so the next product that I have, I can't literally read anything that it says here. It says multi-gloss. That's literally the only thing that I can understand. This is just a multi-gloss. So this is actually the first makeup product that I received in this box. So the next thing that I have, it's this mint chocolate moist lip pack. Give your lips a boost with the Choosy Moist Lip Pack in mint chocolate. After scrubbing your lips, apply the lip pack for smooth and hydrated lips. I haven't actually seen some beauty products that contain chocolate in it, so I just think this is something that you don't get to see every day when you go to Walmart or Walgreens or CVS or Target. So this is, I don't know how to feel about this. So again, with the mint chocolate, now we have a little face mask. Choco mint is super trendy in Japan, and not only when it comes to food, even sheet masks come in this trendy flavor. Cacao moisturizes the skin while the mint tightens and refreshes, and on top of that, this mask smells amazing. But then the last and final thing is just this little, oh my god, what is this? This is a bunny gloss bar, and this is just the cutest thing I've ever seen. And not only are they super cute, these gloss bars are also very moisturizing and come in cute natural sheer colors with a glossy finish. So as for my final review for this box, I would say that I would honestly not buy these products as if they were products like L'Oreal and Maybelline and Too Faced and stuff like that. Like, I wouldn't actually like go out of my way to buy them at a store or stuff like that. But if you like Japanese and Korean beauty products and want to just try them just for the fun of it, or you're honestly like genuinely like intrigued to try these products and see how they work for you, or if you just want to like have some fun and unbox and try some weird products, then I would definitely tell you guys to get it. So if you're interested in getting a box for yourself, I have an affiliate code that I will link inside my description box, so it will take you directly to the site. Thank you NoMakeNoLife for sending me this Japanese and Korean beauty box. I really had some fun unboxing it, and also thank you guys for watching and sticking with me through the end of this video. So I love you all, and I'll just see you in my next video. Bye.